So, Jessica, we are so excited to have LDM in the clinic, and we've had it for about 6 months now.
Yeah.
So, would you like to tell everyone what your experience is with it?
So far we've been doing standalone treatments, which means we're just doing LDM as part of a mini facial. And then we have been doing it as combination treatments. As standalone goes, our patients are absolutely loving it. They are putting it in between their intensive treatments. So in between radiofrequency and microneedling, soft wave, all of these treatments that are done as a maintenance annually to every 6 months, LDM slots in beautifully. So we've been really getting a good return on LDM being a really nice infill between our intensive treatments. When we are looking at combination treatments, what we are finding as part of our results for our patients is that the intensity we're getting from the other devices increases, at least by about 20%. And as we've had our lovely patient in today, who was one of our combination treatment patient, her skin looks amazing after 3 sessions of radiofrequency and microneedling with LDM incorporated. I think it's taken quite a few years off her. So I do feel there's a great place for both individual and combination, but we're definitely getting a really good result from it.
Actually, you're very right, because I'm seeing the patients come in from your treatments and they're saying exactly the same thing. They are noticing that their skin is so much better, it's improved, they're getting a better result. So it's a win-win situation.
It is indeed.
Yeah.